Welcome to Reddit World. This is what volcano tourism looks like in Iceland. The first look inside Vegas Sphere during U2 concert. Did you know Psy is still performing shows? And this is how he introduces himself? A Brazilian man was hiking up a mountain when the hospital called his name on the waiting list to receive a kidney transplant. He wouldn't have enough time to get in there by road, so a helicopter was sent. Everything was paid for by the Brazilian public health care system. Self-driving cars cause a traffic jam in Austin, Texas.
These dumbass cars don't even know how to move. Are you telling me they have no way to get out of this?
Just I love this. I love this.
Look at this. Like people.
Paul Barton is a pianist who once performed in front of packed concert halls in Yorkshire. He has traded that life for the jungles of Thailand, where he performs for blind and handicapped elephants. This is a pretty accurate representation of what a person sees without glasses. What it's like having tattoos in Japan as a tourist.
I think it's a little bit difficult, okay, but I don't mind. I like to go to the gym every day. So if I like to go to the gym, I need to cover myself, and I need to lie to them. I don't like to lie, but they ask me, you have any tattoos? And I have to say no, because otherwise they will find out and they don't let me go to the gym. Like now it's very hot, so I have to wear long sleeve trousers on the gym. It's very difficult, you know, but it is the only way. I think we need to respect. On the trains, they don't want to sit by my side. We from outside Japan, we use perfumes, you know. We are large and people don't like it, I understand. But I know as well people, because of the tattoos, they don't like it.
You try onsen?
No, it's not possible for me. I try many times. I know that a few onsens do accept me, but like far away, and I always get lazy to go there. I wish I can try. Even in my hotel, there's an onsen, and I can't go there, even if I'm staying there. Yeah.
Making a car with nothing but stapler bullets. Rollerblading in France, 1923. Water droplets don't sink immediately when they hit water. Strontium aluminate is a common phosphorescent material due to its ability to emit a long-lasting and bright glow after being exposed to light. Here it is combined with resin epoxy to make a ring. Man puts a lit cigarette into a tube and it bursts into flames. Woman had to make a deal with a chicken. Dangerous hole in a New York City sidewalk. Bloopers from NASA showing astronauts losing their footing while walking on the moon. This cat in Istanbul stole a whole chicken to feed her kittens.
Alalım mı oraya götürelim, tamam mı? Gençlerin yavrusu var. Ha maşallah. Görüyorsun değil mi? Çık oradan çık. Açacak şimdi onu buradan.
Have you ever wondered how you mine for worms? That's the end of this video. I hope you had fun. Until next time, peace.